The ancient Romans of Pompeii didn't have toothpaste or toothbrush, but they had the perfect teeth because their diet was low in sugar. Gold is so ductile that we can make 2 km long wire from just 1 gram of it. When elephants lost a mate, they refuse to eat and will lay down, shedding tears until they die. They are the only animals that die as a result of heartbreak. Scotland becomes first UK nation to ban smacking children under 16. Neither teachers nor parents can beat up their children now. Man holding his old heart after successful heart transplant. Now this is called heart touching. The massive FBI's fingerprint files in 1944. These are bionic pants that you can use to sit down anywhere without a chair. These organic burial pots will turn you into a tree when you die. Say goodbye to coffins. New Zealand's Brisbane Airport is the only airport in the world where trains depart from the middle of the runway. The map shows the world's most photographed places. Just an X-ray of a snake after dinner. If you put a piece of pineapple somewhere in your mouth, it will start eating you. It has proteins that degrade meat. Terry the turtle from Queensland, who gave middle finger, won the Comedy Wildlife Awards of 2020. Iceland is the only country in the world where there are no mosquitoes, snakes or any other reptiles. Victoria Price, a Florida TV reporter, found she has a thyroid cancer after a concerned viewer saw a suspicious lump on her neck and emailed her urging her to get her thyroid checked. Meet 19-year-old Gopal from Bhagalpur, Bihar. He has turned down NASA's offer 3 times. He didn't even go on Trump's call. He said he will do research only for his country. The spray makes everything look like made of stone. In Japan, you can find the world's shortest escalator. It only has 5 steps. A UK company captures the freshest coastal air in a bottle and sells it for over $100 per 700 ml bottle. This is Corpus Museum in Netherlands, world's first human biology museum where the internal anatomy of human body is shown as a room. A Korean news show actually filming on top of a building instead of using green screen. Free beer is the latest White House-backed incentive for Americans to get vaccinated for COVID-19. Dad created YouTube channel called Dad How Do I, where he makes maintenance videos for people with no dads. Players have collectively spent more than 25 billion hours playing Call of Duty, longer than the course of human existence. The child actors in Harry Potter series would do their actual homework in movies to make school setting look more real. In 2004, it was the first incident in Indian history where 200 women killed a rapist in open courtroom. Rapist was getting bailed every time. On seeing no hope, 200 women with chili powder and stones killed him in courtroom. Most Koreans don't produce body odor due to large-scale dominance of the gene ABCC11. As a consequence, deodorant is a rare commodity in Korea. Russian makeup artist lets people experience what he calls a Cinderella effect. Thousands of fish are regularly dropped from a place to restock Utah lakes. One plane trip can drop up to 35,000 fish. In China, to train soldiers and to keep their chin up, pins are placed in the collars of their uniform. You may be surprised, but on average, the NBA court cleaner's salary is $80,000 per year. Some experienced floor cleaners at NBA earn up to $1 lakh per annum. Restaurant designs creepy bathroom to make people feel like they are being watched while they do their business. While the earth fought 2 world wars and humanity created TVs, internet, smartphones, etc., Neptune has not circled the sun even once. A man from Nagpur suffering from a rare disease sleeps 300 days a year. Doctor said he has axis hypersomnia. Once he sleeps, he doesn't wake up for 25 days. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.